What's up? It's your girl Taylor Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey bestie, hey. If you are not, bestie, I missed you. Y'all, I am doing a recreation. I was so hyped to do this. I seen on TikTok the trends of Freaknik and people asking their parents, like, did you go to Freaknik in 1994? Make sure too that you guys are following me on TikTok because I did that trend on my aunt. And the reason why I chose my aunt is because my auntie is very calm, holy Christian lady. But back in the days, baby, she was probably at Freaknik, which she was. And when I saw her they're coming out with the videos and the pictures of Freaknik back in 1994, she said, oh boy. So I am doing a recreation. I'm going to insert a picture right here of kind of how their vibes was. Some were kind of dressed down, some were kind of dressed up, but y'all, I'm a little nervous because their makeup and hair was a little different. So this is gonna be a step-by-step. So yeah, you guys, so if you want to see how I am going to basically get ready to go to Freaknik, then continue watching. All right, and side note to this video, sorry, my chair has been very squeaky. I'm about to go find me another chair because this chair is a computer chair and it be doing a lot of rocking, baby. It make me seasick. But anyways, you guys, yes, so me and my husband are planning to go to Freaknik June 13th in Atlanta, Georgia. They do have one down here in Mississippi, but we didn't think the vibes was gonna be it. So we said let's just go to the one in Atlanta where we know it's gonna be litty. So yeah, you guys, so they used to do their makeup a lot different. And I'm just gonna talk while doing my makeup. So if you guys hear my thingy, you guys already know I'm grabbing my brushes. So they used to do their hair, their makeup so different, y'all. Freaknik was it. When I watch some of the videos, I'm like, oh my gosh, they look like they had so much fun. Like nowadays, it's like you gotta be careful where you go because now everybody just want to shoot up everything, which I totally hate. Cause like, dang, like we cannot have fun nowhere. But it's all good. Definitely all good. So yeah, you guys. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm just pushing them up because if you see or look at any of the pictures back in the days, y'all aunties and mamas used to have some thin eyebrows. Some really thin eyebrows. So my eyebrows are already thin, and I'm gonna be looking down at my mirror, but my eyebrows are already thin, so that's kind of a good thing for me. And I normally don't do my brows on camera because I mess up. So if these don't come out right, I'm going to be very irked, but it's all good. So I'm just gonna line my brows up. I'm just gonna try to make it as thin as possible because baby, I swear they used to just go like literally. But we're gonna gym it up a little bit. We're gonna gym it up. We're gonna kind of do it in today's style a little bit. We're gonna show them what we working with. I think we get somewhere with it. And you can always take the concealer and clean it up as well, which I'm going to do. Oh my god, this feels so weird doing these thin brows. Like they're so small. Oh my gosh. They're like so small. And I know my auntie stayed with a dark lipstick. Like when I look at her pictures, I'm like, you stay with a dark lipstick. Aunties love a black liner and red lipstick. Tell me they didn't. Y'all look how thin that is. Oh my gosh. I went ahead and did my finished my brows and cleaned it up, and I already primed and set my face with setting powder to reduce some of the oiliness from my skin. So now I'm gonna get into my foundation. Now I don't know if back in their days if they did foundation. I want to say they were more like the powder. I'm sorry, I want to say they were more like powder type of people. But I really don't know. So I really don't know. So I'm just going to do my normal foundation. Which is my Fenty right now. And we're just gonna blend this in. I'm gonna go in with concealer. Now, I know they wasn't wearing concealer, but it's a must that I have on concealer. So we're just gonna brighten it up just a little bit. Their nose wasn't, you know, they didn't do all of this. But we gonna do all of this because it's a must for us, okay? So while that's said, I'm going to contour my face. Now I'm not gonna say they did wear contour, but in some of the pictures that I looked at, they had a little something. Now I know for a fact that they wore blush. We definitely know that. But for the contour, I'm not 100% sure. But it's okay, because we gonna do it, right? We gonna do it. It's still gonna make us look nice and snatched, because they look snatched. As I'm looking at the picture, Auntie looks snatched, okay? She wasn't playing no game. The face is done. Okay. They're definitely done. So we are going to move on to hair. I was thinking about doing 2 petal ponytails with the swoop, because let me see, in some of the pictures they had some swoops going on, and they definitely had ponytails and them big curls and the finger waves, but because I have locks, I cannot do that. So I was thinking just do, okay, I'm gonna take these out, and then I'm going to do 2 of the ponytails. So the petal ponytails or buns. I might not do the buns. I might end up doing just 2 buns. Let me see. Okay. Because the petal buns is gonna take me forever. And what I'm not gonna do is sit here forever. So let's just see. I might just be safe with almost like 2 space buns. Okay, so let's just make sure those are even. Crazy. So I'm gonna twist these. And it's okay if some of them start coming out, because that's why you have bobby pins. And I'm going to I'm gonna come back and fix those. So we definitely need to fix these. I feel like these ones needs to be twisted a little bit more. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna try to fix these buns and then I'll be right back because my arm is burning. This is the finished look. We got our 2 buns, our little stuffies, and baby, y'all see the nails. Yes, baby. We got our bamboo earrings, and we just gonna add a little more lip gloss to our look. Period. Cute little recreation. I got this cute crop top bandana. No, I don't gangbang, so don't come for me because I got all this red on. Period. But these earrings, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I used to have a pair of these when I was in high school. Like, don't do me. But yes, y'all, this recreation was so cute. I love this little crop top. $5 from Amazon. These nails definitely press on stickies. Because they finna come right off. I had so much fun doing this recreation. But I'm really feeling this hairstyle. Like, I might pull this. Y'all might see me with this hairstyle one more time. Y'all might. But yes, from the nails to the hair to the bamboos to the shirt to the makeup, the glamorous makeup, I'm loving it. I don't like the eyebrows, baby. Mama, auntie, how was y'all doing your eyebrows like this? This is not fleek, okay? This is just, but anyway, I hope you guys like this video as much as I love it, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.